Um, Hello, I'm Red Wolf, and I do Wolf Cool Town videos. What is a town I've made myself. I do magnet fishing videos, and I do vlogs of events and my weekly life. Today is Heywood Light Switch-on Festival in Heywood, and that's what I'll be vlogging today, so see you there. So I'm at Heywood Light Switch-on now, and yeah, we're going to be showing you what we're going to be doing in Heywood Light Switch-on. So got a concert on over there, haven't we, Bill? The Golden Mighty Vlogger.
1666 in the house!
Yeah, we're just doing a vlog in Heywood, show you around the area. You know, it was on the 1940s weekend, so you might have seen a bit of Heywood from there. So, show you around, yeah? Heywoods Town Hall. I think so.
Luke's Church.
Yeah. So, walking down to the markets, parks. I'll be doing Rochdale Light Switch-on next week too, and
Saturday the 24th.
yeah, and the magnet fishing video where I found the knife will be uploaded the week after that, because I'm just doing bits and parts of that one too. So yeah, so like the market part there. So that's the Heywoods Christmas markets. Just getting ready for the parade. Just found the Grinch. Say hi to the vloggers.
Yes, Chris!
With the Grinch. There's coming now. Gonna be filming it. They're marching.
Oh, you're getting there still?
Yeah.
Good. Make sure.
Better than that.
I will say it to yes. Say it to me, yeah. On YouTube, I record it, yeah.
Why on my YouTube?
Record that, definitely record that.
I'm recording it all.
Good, Good job! Yay!
Night, baby. Nightmare Before Christmas.
Oh, you go best. Get down the parade.
Pause it for now.
Yes, Batman!
High five, Batman! Got Batman.
Okay. Else on that. Chris Chandler.
Yo. The Golden Mighty Vloggers. The Golden Mighty Vloggers' favourite.
The Grinch! It's still Christmas!
Oh, the Grinch is coming.
It's still Christmas now, isn't it?
The Grinch.
City fun!
Grinch!
It's a city
The Grinch
fun.
with Santa. Going form, Going form.
think that's it now. Anyway,
That's it.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that was good.
Bloody awesome, man.
Heywoods Christmas tree.
Thank you very much, everyone,
good
for
that.
coming over and supporting Heywoods.
That's twin and
I missed
There
it
we
once.
go, guys. That's the lights on. And we will
Heywoods
see
light
you
switch
at
on,
the
mate.
big after-show party at the
Heywoods light switch on.
Heywood. Get yourself started.
We've got the trees lighting up. Didn't even realise. So Heywoods got all the lights on now. Put the lights all on. Very nice. So it's the next day now, and I'm back in Rochdale. And if you like the video, make sure you press a like, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, make sure you get your friends and family and everybody you know to subscribe. Bye, and thanks for watching.